This is the third
Three
one
times.
that we've had a comet that originated outside of our solar system, which creates a lot of intrigue because they're saying it may be billions of years old. It may be older than the sun. And it's not taking like an orbit, like a normal comet, like say Halley's Comet, we'll see every so many years. It's like clockwork, right? This one's just like zooming through the galaxy. I think for a while it's going to be behind the sun. And I don't know how they know this because I'm not a scientist, but I know that the makeup of the comet is a little bit different as well. It's got some kind of a gas in it. What is it? The poison. What is that?
Carbon dioxide.
It's got carbon dioxide, but then it's not arsenic.
It's got cyanide, but they say cyanide is not that uncommon for comets.
Okay.
But what is weird about this comet is it has 7 times more carbon dioxide than water, and normally comets are mostly water. Rock and water. So I think why this became first of all, it's a really cool thing to have something from outside our solar system come running through. And the last projection that I have seen is they said millions to billions. The last I've heard is they think it's about 7 billion years old, this object. Our Earth and solar system and sun and all the planets aren't that old. So this thing was made a long time ago somewhere far, far away. And it literally traveled this whole time through the galaxy. And it just so happens that it's coming in our solar system, and it's coming in and it's going near all the inner planets, going around the sun, coming back around the sun, because it gets in the gravitational pull of the sun, so it whips around like all comets do. And if people remember from their science class, when a comet goes around the sun, it gets a tail from the burn off from the chemical reactions to the heat and the energy from the sun, and that's how you have a big long tail on a comet. You don't see that tail when it's not by the sun. You only see the tail when it's by the sun burning off. And they do have some data on what's going on with that comet while it's on the backside of the sun. But it's going to go around the backside of the sun, and then it's going to pass by the major planets, the inner planets again, including Earth. It's going to come within 1.8 AUs. Now, an AU is an astronomical unit. It's 93 million miles. And where that comes from is the Earth is approximately 93 million miles from the sun, approximately. So that's considered an astronomical unit. So the space from our sun to the Earth is 1 AU. So they measure distances in the solar system based on AUs. Just figure that like you had a yardstick that was sun, Earth. Then you could take that yardstick and go way out. Pluto is, probably hundreds of AUs out there. But what's weird about it is you got the galaxy that's kind of looks like a, what do you want to call it? It's kind of like a flat disc. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of things could possibly come from the galaxy, and we're on the edge of the galaxy. It's on a plane, but then what people don't realize is that our solar system isn't on the same plane as the Milky Way. It's actually tilted at about 60-something degrees. So you have the galaxy with all the planets and stars on this plane, but then our solar system is about like this, where we got the sun and the planets going around. So what's weird about this is that it came within, they say, 5 degrees of our plane. We're basically, you have all of the stuff in our galaxy right here, and then you've got our solar system facing this way. It's coming from up here. It's coming basically where you wouldn't think it would come. And it's coming from an area of space that doesn't have metals. And this particular object is loaded with nickel. And the burn off is some sort of nickel composite, which people think there could be technology there because nickel would be used in a spacecraft. It's all over your head.
Speaking of over my head, I mean, is this a coincidence or what's going on back there?
Well, that's the question.